Hi, my name is Evan, and I'm a Principal Product Manager here at Appfire. Have you ever wanted to get more out of Monday.com? Did you know that Monday capabilities can be extended and enriched with more advanced solutions, and that they're available right now on the Monday Marketplace? Today, I'm going to provide you with a stress-free guide to this marketplace and hopefully change the way you use Monday.com. Let's get the largest concern out of the way first. How difficult is it? Installing an app from the Monday Marketplace is as simple as clicking a button, and the apps are intended for the average user. No technical or coding skills required, and no need to call upon your developers or IT team. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, what is the Marketplace? Monday.com has a curated marketplace of apps that improve and extend its functionality and add entirely new functionality. Imagine Monday as a solid foundation. The marketplace provides you with building blocks, customizable tools to tailor your workspace and workflows to meet your exact needs. You can find it by clicking the Marketplace button in the upper right in Monday. It looks like a puzzle piece. Or by navigating to monday.com/marketplace. So now that you can find it, let's dig into why you might use it. Think of that solid foundation. Monday is built for those straightforward, typical use cases, and really shines because of how easy and intuitive it is. But you're not typical, and sometimes teams have more complex needs that make it feel like you're pushing the limits of what Monday can do. This is where the app marketplace comes in. It allows you to bridge the gap so you can continue to scale your use of Monday as you grow and as your needs become more complex. Apps have a wide variety of use cases, from social media calendars to advanced time tracking to powerful portfolio management to creating and signing contracts. If there's something you're having trouble accomplishing in Monday.com, odds are the marketplace has an app for that. So how do you get started? Just pop open the marketplace and begin searching. As you use Monday, you may have specific needs or use cases, and every time one of those comes up, switch to the Monday Marketplace and search for an app to meet your need. On the front page of the marketplace, you'll see a list of featured and trending apps to help you get started. Need some inspiration? If you've outgrown Monday's time tracking feature, check out 7Pace Time Tracker. It's currently at the top of the featured list and has the coveted Editor's Choice badge. Installing it is super simple. 7Pace is an advanced time tracking app that offers simpler and more powerful methods for recording time on items, calendars, or even timesheets, and offers more robust reporting. Speaking of reporting, Monday dashboards are great, and I'm sure you love them. But if you're looking for something smarter and more powerful than the native feature, try Dashboard Hub. It's designed to make reporting and data analysis faster, more efficient, and easier to share. It goes beyond boards and workspaces, allowing you to connect data from different accounts and from external tools like Jira and Confluence. So to sum it all up, don't fear the Monday app marketplace. Monday is a perfect foundation for your work, but as your team scales and handles more complex use cases, the marketplace helps you expand Monday to keep up. The apps in the marketplace are easy to install, integrate, and run. If you're using Monday.com, you can find and install an app in just a few easy steps right now. If you need a place to start, begin a free trial of 7Pace Time Tracker on the Monday Marketplace today and see how transformational Monday apps can be.